Ready? Let's see what is inside the surprise egg.
Ready? Wow, look at these colorful surprise eggs. Let's open them and see what healthy veggie is inside. It's a carrot. Carrots are good for your eyes and help you see clearly every day. Yay! Broccoli is here. It makes your bones strong and keeps your body healthy. Look, sweet corn popped out. Corn gives you energy to play and learn. It's a bright red tomato. Tomatoes help keep your heart strong and happy. Wow, green spinach. Spinach makes you strong because it is full of iron. Look, a smiling onion. Onions help fight sickness and keep you healthy. It's a potato. Potatoes give you energy and help your brain grow smart. Cool cucumber is here. It keeps your body fresh and full of water. Vegetables are super healthy. Eat veggies every day and grow strong and happy. Ready, set, crack the egg. The animal surprise is starting now.
Get ready for the biggest animal surprise ever. Let's crack the eggs and see who's inside. Wow, it's a lion. Lions are brave and strong jungle leaders. Look, a big elephant. Elephants are gentle and very smart. It's a monkey. Monkeys are playful and super clever. See the tall giraffe. It can see far with its long neck. Aw, a cute panda. Pandas are calm and love bamboo. Wow, a penguin. Penguins love cold places and swim fast. It's a tiger. Tigers are fast, strong, and powerful. Look, a bunny rabbit. Rabbits are quick and love to hop. All animals are special and amazing. Let's love and care for them. Wow, so many colorful eggs. Let's open them and find what is inside. Look, a shiny apple. Apples help keep your body healthy and strong. It's a banana. Bananas give quick energy to play and learn. Wow, a juicy orange. Oranges are full of vitamin C to fight sickness. Look at these grapes. Grapes are good for your brain and body. Yay! Watermelon! It keeps you cool and full of water. Sweet strawberry is here. Strawberries help boost your immunity. It's a yummy mango. Mangoes are full of vitamins to make you strong. Look, a pineapple. Pineapples help digestion and keep you healthy. Fruits are sweet and healthy. Eat fruits every day and grow happy.